Welcome to Craftmas, where we are on ornament 17 out of 24 ornaments. In the past, I have exchanged ornaments with friends, and I like to do special ornaments that reflect what they enjoy doing. And this particular ornament definitely does that. It's an adorable ball of yarn with some adorable little knitting needles in there. And as always, please check out the description down below. I have a whole bunch of different shopping coupon codes there for you if you're doing some Christmas shopping. So let's jump into this tutorial. What do you guys think? Did you enjoy making an adorable yarn ball? I hope that you enjoy giving this to a friend of yours, a fellow crafter in your midst, and come back tomorrow for ornament number 18. We're almost there. Ornament number 18. Wow. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow.